Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. Today we're talking about something that will change your whole vegetable season. We're not just fertilizing, we're giving our plants personality. Let me introduce you to the fertilizer crew. This is Act Right. Leave Me Alone. Big Root. Thick and Juicy. These are my DIY organic fertilizer blends for vegetables. And today I'm breaking down exactly what to do, when to use them, and how to not mess it up. Because some of y'all be over-fertilizing, then wondering why your lettuce is stressed. Ignore her, but she's not wrong. What's this one for? Balanced feeding for leafy greens and general vegetables. Best for lettuce, spinach, kale, early peppers, and young transplants. What's in it? A balanced organic vegetable fertilizer like 555 or 444, and worm castings are optional. Single file line, please. Act Right is get yourself together fertilizer. It's balanced, it doesn't push too much leaf growth, doesn't overdo nitrogen, just stabilizes the plant. 1 to 2 tablespoons per plant at planting. Scratch into top 2 inches of soil and water deeply. For containers, use 1 tablespoon per gallon of soil. If your plant leaning sideways, pale, acting confused, give it Act Right. Leave Me Alone. What's it for? Leaf production. Best for lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and collards. Where'd the sun go? It's getting chilly out here. What's in it? Higher nitrogen organic fertilizer. Also worm castings. It's for when you want lush, full, harvestable greens. This is especially good early in the season, when it's still cool here in Zone 7B. How to use: side dress every 3 to 4 weeks, 1 tablespoon per plant, water in well. Do not use this heavy once fruiting starts, like on your tomatoes and peppers. You'll get leaves and no fruit. And then you're going to be outside mad. Why I ain't got no tomatoes? Because you fed it salad dressing. This one is powerful. What it's for? This one is best for carrots, beets, radishes, transplants, onions, and garlic. What's in it? Bone meal, low nitrogen based fertilizer. Mycorrhizae is optional. Big Root Energy is what I use at planting for root crops and when transplanting anything that needs strong establishment. Phosphorus supports root development. That means stronger plants, better nutrient uptake, and better yields later. 1 tablespoon in planting hole. Mix into soil before placing plant. Water deeply. For carrots and beets, mix lightly into bed before sowing. And don't worry, in the coming videos, I'll show you exactly how I use all of these fertilizers. Stop pulling up skinny carrots. You need Big Root Energy. Now this is for fruiting crops. What's it for? This is for if you want healthy fruit development. Tomatoes, peppers, squash, cucumbers. What's in it? Tomato fertilizer, higher potassium, bone meal, Epsom salt. How much Epsom salt? 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per 4 cups of fertilizer mix. Do not overdo this. Apply thick and juicy once flowers begin forming. How to use: 1 to 2 tablespoons around the drip line. Scratch lightly into soil. Water deeply. Repeat every 4 to 6 weeks. This helps with fruit size, blossom development, and preventing magnesium deficiency. Now that's how you grow a tomato that makes your neighbor jealous. Let's simplify this. Planting leafy greens, use Leave Me Alone. If you're planting root crops, you're going to need some of that Big Root Energy. Transplanting anything, Big Root Energy. General feeding, get you some Act Right. Once your plants are at the flowering and fruiting stage, this is what you want. Thick and juicy. Exactly how I like my tomatoes. Fertilizer is about timing, not dumping. If this helped you, comment below which fertilizer your garden needs right now. And stop stressing your plants. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.